Hi friends, this is Maggie. So as the title of this video, a lot has happened. Many of you know that I live in the central part of Florida, and we had the unfortunate visit of Ian Hurricane, who came in through our coast about 155 miles per hour. It was a category 4, causing massive destruction to Fort Myers and all of the coast and all the other cities, including Central Florida. The hurricane came through as category 1, and usually I've been here for a long time, and I've done, I believe, category, I think the highest I've done is a category 2. So the winds were not that strong, but the water, I mean, it was raining for probably 2.5 days without stopping. I have a pool that we had empty out because we needed to be replacing something on it. And by the time the hurricane came through, we collected from the rain 3.5 feet of water. So that is a lot of water. For Central Florida, a lot of the damages was that I saw around my neighborhood was that a lot of the little lakes and big lakes, they overflow, and all of those houses that were next to those lakes, they were just flooded. I mean, I even saw cars, basically one of them, you can say, almost floating a little bit, you know, just seeing the top of the car. And we have a big river that just went over, crossed over to a park and all that, and it's just wow. And I'll show some of the videos and pictures that I took. I lost power for 2.5 days. I just got it. I'm cleaning up, trying to catch up with the house. And last time I lost power from one of the hurricanes, it was 5 days, and it was really bad. This time was 2.5 days, and which is not bad at all. So I think our recovery system is just, they're moving fast, but there's definitely a lot of destruction. The coast, obviously, and all the other counties and, you know, cities here in Florida, you know, they had severe, massive destructions. In regards to the water, I mean, the water was the worst, except for the coast. They got the worst. They got both the water and the winds. Anyway, so I wanted to just kind of let you guys know about that. So we're fine. We're praying for the families that were affected, that they can get all the help and, you know, they need. And we're just, you know, trying to recuperate and all that. Today is October 1st. I wanted to start the Inktober challenge, and I'm following the advice of one of the subscribers who told me go ahead and start before October 1st, so you're ahead of the game. And I did. So I have a couple of drawings that I did. I'll do one today, and just to catch up. The stressfulness in regards to the hurricane, which was good and bad, I was able to, incredible, everybody decided to buy my paintings in the midst of the hurricane coming in and exiting and all that. So I'm running, trying to get the stuff out before the hurricane, and as soon as the hurricane was gone, then, you know, shipping out those stuff. So I've done a lot of running around to get that out of the way. So that's kind of good, but now I have to do paintings again and put them back in there because my stores are empty. So I need to work on that too. So I'm trying to do that and continue to do the challenge. Oh, I also did, let me show you. I did this is one of my junk, it's called the junk journal, where you have, I've shown this before, where you just kind of use papers, t-shirt papers, stickers, whatever you, not stickers, but you know, I cut my drawings, paste them there. But this one, I had a lot of fun with it because I like this one too. I drew the horse and let me take this out, and did the acrylic on it. But this one was a lot of fun because it's more of an abstract. But if you notice, I had washi tape. I have a little sticker that's kind of like a plastic sticker, and you just, in ripped paper, I had all this ripped paper that I had done the prints, you know, with different colors of inks and stuff like that. And I just kind of did that. I want to do something similar to this, a different not just the back of a girl, but something a little bit different, but kind of using all this stuff that I have here, because this was a lot of fun to just see this come about. Anyway, so I'm gonna turn the camera around. I'm gonna show you, before that I'm gonna show you some of the videos and the pictures from what happened here in Central Florida, or around my surroundings basically, and then I'll show you then I'll do one of the Inktober pages, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you. Bye. Oh my gosh.
That's Blanchard Park.
This is the little lake in Blanchard Park outside, close to the street.
Inside is all swamp. It's all...
Okay, so this is my mixed media book that I purchased, that I wanted to go ahead and do my Inktober pages. I just realized I didn't put the names, but I think I believe I remember the prompts. So this one is Gargoyle. I did this with the Intense Black pencil, and then use it to just kind of create the shadows here and there. I have fun doing this one. I've never done something like this, and this was fun to do. So that's page 1. This one was oh dear, I can't remember. I'll put the name on the description here, or in the page. And then this one is Bat. So this one was basically, I did a baseball player, try to use shadows and stuff like that. That was fun. Let's do it close up. That was fun to do. And then I wanted to do an emphasis where he can kind of pops out of the page. So I ended up, for this alone, and a little bit here, I used gouache. Because otherwise I'd have been there forever with those Intense pencil and the blocks. So I wanted something that was really nice and dark, so I went and I used gouache for that. So I broke the rule there, and we'll work on this page today. Bye.